Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Nick.
Hey guys.
And my brother Kane.
Hey guys.
So today we're making ice cream sandwiches. So let's get on with this video.
So Leah, tell me what we need to make ice cream sandwiches.
Easy. All you need is a scooper, cookies, ice cream, a thing for the sandwiches, plates, sprinkles, optional. You don't have to use it.
Good to know.
Nick, here we go.
Thank you.
Sugar cutter.
Thank you.
I love cookies. So first thing you do is to put this on the plate, and then you put this upside down.
So is it time for the ice cream?
That is perfect. It is beautiful. After you put icing on the cookie, is to put this cookie again on the top. Cookie? So after that, you put sprinkles around.
It looks really cool.
It was good.
So guys, don't forget to like
Subscribe
and hit that notification bell.
Guys, I find me at Kane with Leah on Instagram and Facebook, and also buy our merch that we are wearing.
And you can buy these on bonfire.com to support
Cooking with Leah.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Hug it up, hug it up,
Hug it up.
Hug it up.
Ma.
Action.
Alright. It's so line.
You can.